Welcome back to Framotech channel. What is happening in the market? Of course, let's talk about it. Specifically, we are going to dive into the crypto space. What is happening in the market right now? A lot of things happening, and we need to discuss. The market is right now very bad. It's going down, and yes, let's find out why. Let's find out why. Yeah, before we go, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell notification. Remember to give our channel some boost by smashing up the thumbs up or the likes buttons so that we can go viral, and also invite your friends to also come to this channel. So welcome back again. Since our previous videos, a lot of things has happened, and let's get it on right. The market is very red since last week. Of course, we predicted this dump. I'll show you the analysis that we did on Bitcoin. And also, I told you that now funds are moving from BTC to Ethereum, and the correction that Bitcoin is trying to do was exactly what is happening before a major news came and we had a crash. Of course, one of the major reasons is Iran and Israel having fight. So as you can see from here, this news says because of the Iran-Israel war strike, oil price is likely to go up. And this war is what is posing threats to the market. Of course, Bitcoin and cryptos are affected most right now. And so, other assets like oil is likely to, the price of oil is likely to rise. So one of the main reasons for this market dump is because of this war. And also Trump's tariffs with other countries is also affecting it. So it's like a global world trade is affecting the market right now. However, we discussed that corrections needs to be made. Bitcoin has to drop. Looking at the chart, it was looking very bearish. And as I said, it doesn't stop whales from accumulating Bitcoin. So people are still stuck in Bitcoin. So the good news is that countries are adopting Bitcoin. Vietnam passes a law officially and now recognize crypto assets. Now they now recognize crypto, meaning crypto is official in Vietnam. They have adopted it, and now they see it to be digital assets through a groundbreaking law on digital technology industry. So these coins are now accepted in Vietnam, which is a good news. And also JP Morgan have some good news for us. Files a trademark for crypto trading services. So JP Morgan, one of the successful guys. Also file for crypto trademark for trading and payment services, meaning crypto is going to be used for payment and trade. The firm has recently begun changing its tune on cryptocurrency, offering its bank clients access to purchase Bitcoin. So now, for those who are not believing in Bitcoin, they are all trooping in. And as I said in the last video, we discussed that alt season is about to happen. This correction, of course, is going to affect many alt coins. It will let these coins go back to the bottom before they try to rally up again. Why? Because funds are moving into Ethereum. Funds are really moving into ETH. And so we have this news here. Ethereum whale accumulation hits its 7-year all-time high. So the whales keeps on accumulating Ethereum. Amid the crash, everything is becoming cheap, and they are accumulating Ethereum very seriously. So Ethereum will accumulate its Accumulation hit 7-year high with 87.1K each set. So what is net for its price? Of course, we will do some technical analysis and look at where liquidities are. Then we try to share some of the sentiments right now. Or before we end the video, I'm going to share a lot of gist. So make sure you stay tuned with us. And now I have another news here. Yeah, as we wait for it to load, let's talk about BlackRock. BlackRock drives 412 million Bitcoin ETF inflows amid Israel-Iran conflict. As I said, these whales know what they are doing, and BlackRock keeps on stacking Bitcoin, putting more funds in it amid the war that is crashing the market. BlackRock keeps on investing millions and millions into crypto, of course, Bitcoin. The last time they were stacking Ethereum too behind the scene, they would just cover up with the Bitcoin purchase and also stack other coins that you don't know. Of course, we will talk about some of the narratives that you should pay attention to. And tomorrow, there is going to be a Fed Chair Powell is going to talk. And people are looking for the change in interest rates. And of course, interest rates also play a major role in the market. And according to crypto gurus, or crypto gurus report, it's likely not to change. So 98% chance Federal Reserve interest rates unchanged tomorrow, according to Polymarket. So if nothing is going to change, then nothing is going to happen in the market. We're going to keep everything stable. So pay attention to this. Of course, in time like this, there is going to be a volatility around this time where the chair will speak. Tomorrow, where the chair will speak, there is going to be FOMC interest rate decision tomorrow around 2 p.m. Of course, one of the time frames that we see a lot of volatility. So pay attention if you're a short-term trader and you're not holding some asset for a long time. All right, so now let's talk about trending stuffs. Let's talk about them. Let's talk about crypto rank analysis here. It's a top performance, in terms of total value locked, and that is what I say. I'm saying that the narratives, people are putting much funds there, they are accumulating, and so the top performance right now, according to crypto rank data, the real world asset sector is up by 300%. So US regulatory clarity, institutional adoption, and TradeFi assets integration are the main drivers behind the 295% growth. So top 5 protocols by total value locked, we have BlackRock, Babydoge, 2.9 billion. Then we have Eternal, the Ondo Finance, Pazos, and Theta Gold. So as you can see, these are all narratives that as people are putting funds in, you can also just go there and try your hands, because Babydoge is moving, Eternal, the symbol is like ENA, the Ondo, then Pazos. All these are getting traction. So real world assets narrative is moving. So you have to look for narratives or coins that are following up with this narrative. Of course, it's time for us to dive into the technicals and analysis of some coins. I also give you a meme coin that I'm monitoring for the past days. So as we said, the last time we did analysis on Bitcoin, of course, we predicted that Bitcoin is likely to come back here and fill the gap here. It dumped, tried to push up and dump. And this is not good. It's showing some bearish signal. It is trying to break all these rejections here, all these supports here. And it's not good if it continues. You are going to see Bitcoin coming back to maybe 74K. Something like that. So the market is still red. However, as we saw, Ethereum is getting accumulation. So let's talk about Ethereum. Let's talk about Ethereum. Let's talk about Ethereum right now. And also, I skipped a news on Chainlink. Chainlink is one of the super hot coins right now. A lot of fans are moving in, so I also draw attention to Chainlink, and also we'll do some kind of technical analysis on Chainlink. So as you can see, Ethereum is bullish here, very bullish, and I don't know what it's trying to do. It's accumulating between these zones. From here to here, Ethereum is accumulating. So I don't think Ether breaking this guy here, that's 23K. So Ether is likely to fill gaps. Right, so now this is Ether. I'm expecting Ether to just kiss through this line here around 23.74, but I shouldn't break this line and it will rally up again. I think it is trying to accumulate in this zone. Of course, we break through a structure like this upward here, so it's likely to get back to kiss this line. It shouldn't cross here and cross here. In that case, the bullish sentiment is still there, where Ether is likely to flip here and go upward just like that. So that is Ether analysis right now that I have. We shouldn't break these two supports here. We shouldn't break through, but we can kiss here and go up. So Ether traders is what I have for you. Buy Ether when it kissed through around 22,375 there, about then. You move up. That is what I think the market is going to do. As I said, let's talk about Chainlink. Our Chainlink is trading at a support level. Let's go for long-term time frame analysis. So just follow up what the coins that we are talking about here. We talked about the real world asset narrative. We talk about Ether analysis. We are now on Chainlink, and the real world asset, we have the Eternal ENA under finance is also there. Babydoge is also there from BlackRock. And we are moving on. So Chainlink, even though massive fans is moving into Chainlink, I'm expecting Chainlink to, let's see, Chainlink try to fill a gap here. Let's see if this gap was completely filled. If not, then Chainlink is trying to get back to complete the filling of this gap. So there was a fair value gap here. It's no other completed. So I'm sure this market is dumping and it shouldn't be biased. I'm sure Chainlink is likely to fill in this gap here, and the support level that I think we should target chain link is this guy here. So for chain link around $7, we can start buying chain link and accumulate it. So if you are also shorting, you can find a good position from here and short chain link, because it's going to break through this support here and try to target lows. It's going to break here, try to target lows. So you can find a good place to short chain link down to $7. It's not bad. If I am doing small time frame analysis right now, chain link. All right, so we are waiting for chain link to at least leave a candle close below this line. That's 12.73. So if we see chain link breaking through maybe 12.66, we can find a place just within here or above here and place a short entry. So right now, this place can be an entry. That's when you see chain link closing a candle below this level, and put a stop loss maybe here. Very big, but as you monitor, you can squeeze it down, then you target more low. So that's for chain link. However, pay attention when chain link gets to 7. That's an important zone for accumulation. You can buy more chain link. So today I want to give you a gist. There is this meme coin that I've been following, and that is Babydoge coin. Babydoge coin. So now Babydoge is trading at its lows. Babydoge is trading at its lows. However, I've been waiting for Babydoge. No, there is no point of liquidity grabbing apart from breaking through this support here. If you check its chart, it was also trying to fill some gap here, as here. And so I've been waiting for Babydoge for a long time to come back to this level, and today it is trying to come back to the gap here to grab some liquidity. Babydoge, I think, is not going to create new low, like new all-time low or something. So my point of interest for Babydoge is within this area and possibly extend to this area. And looking at the support weekly chart, we have a strong upline, strong trend line up here. Let's use this one. If we are joining the recent, yeah, so I'm expecting Babydoge to fill in a gap here. Let me draw some kind of rejection here. So I'm going to give you entries on Babydoge 4 hours chart. Right, so Babydoge is coming to, it has a lot of zeros. So 0 point, a lot of zeros, 1066, like Babydoge seeing it around this zone, you can enter long position for some midterm good cash here and put your stop loss here. So reduce your leverage. You can target this 35% or higher as 50% or more highs. So that is my sentiment on Babydoge. Buy Babydoge around 0 point, a lot of zeros, 1001, or maybe when you see Babydoge between 0.001, maybe 105 below, you buy. Maybe low leverage if you are using futures, or you can buy for spot and wait for upward appreciation. So my analysis on Babydoge is that let's wait for it to Let's wait for it to grab some liquidity. Yeah, in this zone. Yeah, so let's wait for Babydoge to grab. And yeah, buy more. It's not a financial advice though. All right, so that is what I have for you today. Welcome back again. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification, and wait for more videos. Thank you.